Hello friends, it's Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing Original Cable Guys Gremlins Gizmo controller holder for controllers, phones, or Nintendo Switches. And we have several other controller holders. Ugh. Here he is. He's tiny. He's like a little statue. And his arms are super long. They're not supposed to be this long. Alright. Oh, and my Gremlins shirt, which is a blacklight shirt. And here's a Nintendo Switch Lite, which he can hold. And then you can flip it the other way, and he can play it. Now, I rate this a 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs ups. And if you wanted to, you could use this as a little statue. So this is a really good thing. I rate it 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs ups. So, friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on social media at the Funky Play Bros and Funky Play Brothers. Support our vlog at cashapp at $7 Funky Play Brothers. Thank you for watching. Bye.